Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed about Kalam's life story. So in the before video we have discussed second bit, fourth, fifth, sixth bits. So we have completed second problem. So in this video we shall discuss third problem, first, second, third bits. So let us see the third problem. So find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. So here also we have to find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. So here they have given alpha is equals to 2 and beta is equals to -1. So we have to find the quadratic polynomial. So here sum of zeros. So first of all they have given sum of zeros is equals to 2. Alpha is equals to sum of the zeros. So they have given sum of zeros is equals to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This is the formula we know, that is equals to alpha plus beta. So it is the sum of zeros. So this formula indicates minus b by a, that is equals to a plus b. So alpha plus beta is nothing but the sum of zeros, so is equals to a plus b. So minus b by a is equals to, here the sum of zeros is 2 plus of -1. So plus into minus minus, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So minus b by a is equals to 1 by 1. So here a there is nothing, so we can write it as 1. So b is equals to -1 and a is equals to 1. So if we see here b is equals to -1 we got here, so a is equals to 1. So in the product of zeros, if we see in the product of zeros, constant term by coefficient of x square, we know this product of zeros formula, that is constant term by coefficient of x square. So product of zeros means alpha into beta, that is c by a. So this formula indicates c by a is equals to alpha into beta, that is 2 into -1 is -2. So therefore c is equals to -2 and a is equals to 1. So we have already know that a is equals to 1 in the sum of zeros. C by a is equals to 1. So c is equals to -2 into 1 is -2. Therefore we got c is equals to -2. So here we got a is equals to 1 and b is equals to -1 and c is equals to 2. So when we substitute in the place of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, this is the general form we know. So if we substitute in the place of this, we will get x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So a here means 1, so 1x square means x square. So b is equals to -1, -1 into x means -x, plus c is equals to 2 is equals to 0. Therefore we got the equation x square minus x plus 2. So when we see the second bit, root 3 comma minus root 3. So here alpha is root 3 and beta is equals to minus root 3. So sum of zeros is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta. So it is the alpha plus beta. So when we see here, it indicates minus b by a is equals to alpha plus beta, that is root 3 plus into minus root 3 is equals to 0. So minus b by a is equals to 0 by 1. So it gets cancelled. So plus root 3 and minus root 3 gets cancelled and we get 0. So here a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0. So here when we see in the product of zeros, that is constant term by coefficient of x square is equals to alpha into beta. So here product of zeros means alpha into beta. So here c by a. So this indicates this c by a. So alpha into beta is equals to root 3 into minus root 3. So we get -3. So here root and root is cancelled. So remaining is minus. So we get -3. So c by a is equals to -3. So here c we get -3 and 1, a is equals to 1. We already know, we here got a is equals to 1. So therefore c is equals to -3. So therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to -3. So if we substitute in the place of general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, this is the general form of quadratic polynomial as we know. So if we substitute in this, we get x square plus of -3 is equals to 0. So we get x square minus 3 is equals to 0. So the given equation is, so we got the equation, that is x square minus 3. So we also discussed second bit. So if we see the third bit, that is 1 by 4 and -1. So here is alpha is 1 by 4 and beta is equals to -1. So when we see as the sum of zeros, we will get minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This is the formula and is equals to alpha plus beta. So here they again sum of the zeros, that is minus b by a is equals to 1 by 4. This is 1 0 and -1 is 1 0. So 1 by 4 plus into -1. So 1 by 4 plus into minus is minus. So 1 by 4 -1. So is equals to -3 by 4. When we do the LCM, we get -3 by 4. So here we got a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. So here we got the sum of the zeros. So when we see the product of zeros, constant term by coefficient of x square, that is product of zeros means alpha into beta. So c by a is equals to alpha into beta is equals to, here the sum one zero is 1 by 4 and another 0 is minus 1. So here minus 1 is equals to 1 by 4 is equals to 1, c is equals to 1. So a here we got a is equals to 4 and c here we got c is equals to 1. So here a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 1. So here we got the 3 values. So if we substitute this in the place of the general form ax square plus bx plus c, we get, in the place of a we will substitute 4x square, so we'll get 4x square. So in the place of b we will substitute 3, so 3 into x plus c is equals to minus 1. So sorry, this is minus 1. So this is minus 1 and c is equals to minus 1. So we will get 4x square plus 3x. So here plus into minus is minus. So minus and 1 as it is equals to 0. So the given equation is 4x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we got the equation 4x minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So that's it guys. In this video we have discussed first, second, third bits in problem number 3. So in the next video we shall discuss the other 3 bits in this problem. So see you in the next video guys.